Lights, camera, action.
So in this video, I'll show you how to define a new structure using two keywords. The first one is typedef, the second one is struct. So using typedef, or when I use typedef, I define a new type. In this case, the new type I'm defining is person. Then to define person, I'm using another keyword which is struct. So I'm telling that my type person is a structure named persons, and this structure has two elements. The first one is family name, and the second one is first name. I have to define for each element the type. In this case, both elements have the same type, which is an array of char. And then to use my new defined structure, I will simply have to declare a variable and to define the type of the variable using the name I used to define my structure or my new type. So in this case, it is person without the s, and in this example, I defined my variable as an array. So I have an array of 3 persons. If you are interested in a particular subject related to the C language, please let me know in the comment below. Bye!